How to change to dark mode on YouTube and YouTube Studio. It's simple. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Simple Streaming. My name is Aslex and today I'm gonna show you how to get dark mode on your browser, YouTube and YouTube Studio. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Yes, that's very nice. And hit the bell if you want to get notifications when I upload. Also, I do stream on Twitch. Do I? Planning to do? I am streaming, but I just need to figure out a schedule for my own. Busy. Alright, so drop a follow on Twitch if you want to see me go live. Join the Discord if you want to chill, hang out, be a part of the community. Alright, let's get started to the video. So let's switch the scene. Okay, so as you can see now we are on YouTube. I already have my dark mode enabled. So what you're gonna do is go, I guess you already have a profile, right? If you don't, create a Google account, login, simple as that. Click on your name, your file. Oh yeah, business. If you want any business deal, hit me up on my Gmail. Other than that, do not contact, because you will get blocked. Alright, so that's the logout. Here's the theme, or how it looks like. I already have the dark one, but you click on that, you can have the theme on your browser. I already got dark theme, so you can hit light theme if you. It looks like that if you don't have it enabled. But just click on that and dark theme. That is how you do on YouTube. And if you are a YouTube content creator, you want to have dark mode on your YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio first. As you can see, it's white mode here as default. It used to be that you can change it on the settings. I know for on the phone app, you can change it easily within the settings to adapt to your phone theme or something like that. So you have dark mode on your phone, but on PC, it's a little bit different now. Their option to change to dark theme is gone. So the only solutions that I know is you see here. This is the only time that I'm showing this. I mean my what is it called, cooker, bookmarker, whatever. So open this one called app. Then you'll see Net Market, Google Market, something like that. Then you will have to search for you have to search for dark mode or something like that. Dark mode. Anything that is dark mode. So there's plenty of options. Just try them out as you like. I personally use and go to your extension once you're done. Extensions. So I personally use this one called Night Mode Pro. So once you download it, just click here, or if not, you click on this puzzle piece to manage your plugins. Click on this lightning ball, and then you can easily switch. Boom, night mode, day mode, night mode, and you can do some huge changing. As you can see now, if I have everything like that, it will be super dark. So I like to have it a little bit gray, so I have it like here. And then there's something that you can do to change the color of those, but I'm not that good with HTML and stuff, so I'm just gonna leave it be. It doesn't bother me that much. And here you have the tone, is it gray-ish, brightness. Alright, hue. Oh, this is like hue, but also it changes how your pictures looks like. So I like to keep it as normal. And the only thing that I have with this Dark Mode Pro is that it hides the text, but if you like it, it's okay. Alright, so basically that's it. Dark mode for your extension, or YouTube mode. And YouTube, I like to have it white though, it's more clear for me. But YouTube, I have it on dark mode. So that's the video. That's a tutorial basically. If you want to know why you should have dark mode on your web browsers, you can check out this video. Also, if you want to have dark mode on your Twitch page, check out that video. It will pop up here somewhere. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, comment down below if you need any help that I can help you with, and if you want to suggest a topic that I talk about, leave a comment down below. Drop a like, follow, subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.
係啊，夫人咧，怪我咯，怪我咯。
係咩啊？藍色同埋死。
Yes。
人生如
鬥啦，鬥嗰只啦。上邊咧紅色，紅色唔得，太實。
你攞隻紅色喎。
係啊，我覺得有啲實。
咩啊？係啊，叫佢練
投降輸一半啊！投降即刻自己起翻度。
你快啲去咗先掹出嚟，咁啊輸得乾脆啲。
你攞而家你掹到下邊個？
咩啊？掹最底嗰隻啊，夠加我出嚟啊，好冇？
你掹到下邊兩三出嚟嘅話，我跟你勝啊真係。
要。
係啦，嗰一招跌落嚟，冇事。
佢好驚啊！佢而家。
你成日
勁啊！我喺掹我部手機先，我驚啊！
誒唔係綠色，綠色，嗰隻係綠色。
綠色綠
啊！
激死！
兩隻手啊！
唔該煩嘅。
諗啊！
我要同浩哥一齊嚟喎。
邊個？
你唔嚟啊？
邊個啊？
陳總。
叫佢死。
哇！得我啊！
我蝦呢個。